Hi guys, let's see today's problem. Mr. Ambani, Mr. Adani, Mr. Tata, Mr. Birla, Mr. Bajaj, and Mr. Mahindra are the managers of the product, sales, marketing, personnel, logistics, and systems departments, not necessarily in the same order, in company ABC Limited. They were chosen for giving a presentation on the progress of their respective departments. The presentations were scheduled from Monday to Friday. We also know the following. There's some additional information. Let's see the questions. Which of the following managers presented their report on Wednesday? Who is the marketing manager of company ABC Limited? Which department manager is definitely the last one to present his report? Which department manager presented his report on Monday? Okay, let's begin. So there are 6 people: Ambani, Adani, Tata, Birla, Bajaj, and Mahindra. Then we know that there are 6 departments: product, sales, marketing, personnel, logistics, and system. And they have to present from Monday to Friday, which means there's a possibility that more than one presentation is conducted because this is 5 and these guys are 6 people. Okay, let's see the additional information. Let me just place this. Mr. Ambani wants to be the first to make presentation and Mr. Adani wants to be the last to make the presentation, which means Ambani does it on Monday, Adani does it on Friday. Except on Friday, there is only one presentation every day, which means that on Friday there will be 2 presentations. So there is one more person who will give his presentation on Friday along with Mr. Adani. So I'm just writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Mr. Tata, the logistics manager. Okay, he is the logistics manager. Does not have any preference for the day of presentation. The product department presentations should be immediately followed by marketing department. So product is immediately followed by marketing. Mr. Mahindra, a personnel manager. This is personnel. Logistics is done, personnel is done. Is having his presentation on Thursday. So Mr. Mahindra is having his presentation on Thursday and he is the personnel manager. Mr. Bajaj is neither the product nor the sales manager, but he presents his report on Friday. Okay, so we know that the other person who has on Friday is Mr. Bajaj and Mr. Adani has to be last. So Adani will be here and Bajaj will be here. And we also know that Ambani has to be on Monday. So Ambani is here. So there are just 2 people remaining, that's Tata and Birla. So one possibility is Tata here, Birla here. The other is Birla here and Tata here. Okay. Now if I try to place the departments, what all do we know? We know that Tata is the logistics guy, right? So let me just make 2 of it. Okay, I'm just doing it in this only. If Tata is the logistics person, considering the first one in blue, and Tata is placed on Tuesday, so he is logistics. With green, he'll be over here. We know that Bajaj is not a product person and not a sales person. So product and sales can't be placed over here. So if I can't place product over here, the marketing will not be over here. Similarly, if I cannot place sales over here, then the only possibility left is systems or marketing. 1, 2. Yeah, that's it. Only two possibilities left, but we know that marketing can't be placed over here, which means it's just systems. Let me write it clearly. Now, we have to place product and marketing and sales. Product and marketing have to be consecutive. Now, we can't find any two consecutive spots over here, which means that this combination will not work. This means that Birla does his presentation on Tuesday and Tata does on Wednesday. So, there are two consecutive slots empty now for product and marketing, and the last one would be sales, which gives us the correct order. Now let's see the questions. Which of the following managers presented their report on Wednesday? On Wednesday we have logistics, and this is Tata. So Mr. Tata. Who is the marketing manager of company ABC Limited? Marketing, it's Birla. We presented on Tuesday. Which department manager is definitely the last one to present his report? We know it's sales and it's Adani. Which department manager presented his report on Monday? That is Ambani. Product. Let's check our answers. 1, 1, 3, 3. 1, 1, 3 and 3. Correct? A little tricky, I would say, but hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.